Hello, first graders. Welcome to Learn and Share. We are doing problem solving for ages 6 to 7. In this video, we will be discussing ordinal numbers. So let's get started. Problem 12. There are 10 children in a line. How many children are in front of the fifth child in line? How many children are behind the fifth child in line? Do you want to try it yourself? Feel free to pause the video and try it yourself. Do you want to see how I solved it? I solved it in a step-by-step way. Let's see it. There are 10 children in a line. Here's the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. How many children are in front of the fifth child in line? How many children are behind the fifth child in line? So if this is the first child, then which is the fifth child? Yes, this is the fifth child. So how many children are in front of the fifth child? 1, 2, 3, and 4 children are in front of the fifth child. How many children are behind the fifth child in line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 children are in front of the fifth child, and 5 children are behind of the fifth child. Yay, we solved the problem! Coming up is the fun part, and that is make your own word problem. Here's a tip. We can use the same word problem and change the numbers and objects in blue to make a new word problem. Here is mine. There are 12 children in a line. How many children are in front of the fourth child in the line? How many children are behind the seventh child in the line? So easy to make our own word problems. I hope you'll definitely try to make some. For more word problems, click the link in the description box below. Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.